My name is Carlo. I am the co-founder and CEO of EdilGo, which is an innovative solution aimed at automating the construction industry. I come from a business management background. So my grandfather had a construction company, my father as well. I was basically born on a construction site. While I was in London, I had the chance to work in different environments and with different companies. I came up with an idea, which is EdilGo, which basically helps companies to fight two problems. One is the low margin problems. And the other one is nothing has changed over the years. And by nothing, I mean that no new technological tools that companies can use to improve their overall business. So we developed a unique machine learning algorithm, which uses NLP, so natural language processing, that basically transforms project information, project data, into actual requests for offers, already divided into product categories, that then can be sent to a vast network of suppliers. My name is Carlo. I am the co-founder and CEO of EdilGo, which is an innovative solution aimed at automating the construction industry. So I come from a business management background. I studied in London a few years ago, where I graduated. But I am originally from Bergamo, which is a small town close to Milan, and it's actually very well known for its construction industry, hence the reason why I am in this business. So my grandfather had a construction company, my father as well. I was basically born on a construction site. So I've always been very passionate about this industry, and I've always loved the challenges that this kind of companies face every day. So while I was in London, I had the chance to work in different environments and with different companies. And I had the chance to see how technology could actually improve many traditional industries. And specifically, I had the opportunity to work in a company that was working on artificial intelligence applied to the logistics sector. And therefore, while I was working there, I was also in contact with my father, who was struggling back in Italy due to, the many problems in the construction industry linked to the economic crisis. And so I started asking myself how I could help him, but also the thousands of construction companies that were having difficulties in those days. And so I came up with an idea, which is EdilGo, which basically helps companies to fight two problems. One is the low margin problem. So the fact that in construction, the average profit margin is of about 2%. And the other one is related to the fact that nothing has changed over the years. And by nothing, I mean that processes have remained the same. There are no new tools, no new technological tools that companies can use to improve their overall business. And so EdilGo is basically a SaaS-enabled marketplace. So on one side, we have the SaaS solution, which is an e-procurement platform dedicated to improving the procurement process. So we help construction companies find new suppliers of materials and services. And on the other side, we have the marketplace, which is a network of suppliers who get in touch with these potential clients. So at a really superficial level, our solution might seem like an aggregator of demand and offer, but we rely on really high-end technologies to make this process as seamless as possible. So we developed a unique machine learning algorithm, which uses NLP, so natural language processing, that basically transforms project information, project data, into actual requests for offers, already divided into product categories, that then can be sent to a vast network of suppliers. And so this saves tons of time for the purchase department, both in the pre-proposal phase, but also in the final stage, so the comparison of the different offers. So we provide a tool that allows them to make a quick comparison and identify the best option anytime. So this is basically what we've done so far, but our goal is, of course, to transform this solution into a much bigger product. The idea is to try to cover the entire procurement process. So right now we are in the sourcing phase, therefore helping companies find new potential collaborators. But then we will move into the legal part, so allowing them to sign an actual contract into the platform, and going to the final step, which is the payment. So we want to provide financial services to this type of companies that can improve the efficiency of their, let's say, financial management. In terms of financial model, business model, we charge for just for the SaaS solution. So we decided to charge only construction companies that use our SaaS solution, and we have a very flexible plan, which goes from 100 to 300 euros per month on average. And on the supply side, we decided not to charge our suppliers for being in the network. So at the moment, they can get new revenues for free. And then when we will go to the next step, so introducing the financial service part, we will also ask them to give us some money for the service provided. And this is mainly it. So the idea is to continue innovate this really peculiar industry, make it as easy as possible, and just have a product that as many companies can use.